Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're going to be chatting all about Prime Day. This is my first video of many, so stay tuned for all the recommendations, for all the deals, for all the giveaways this week. Prime Day is 5 days from now. It's on July 11th and 12th, and it's also my birthday. My birthday's on July 11th, so I fear for how much money I'm gonna spend that day. But anyway, I'm so excited today because I'm gonna be doing my wish list, things I'm planning on purchasing, hopefully to give you guys some inspo, some ideas, so you can start saving those things to your cart so you guys can see how everything drops if it drops on Prime Day. I have so many videos coming. I have a giveaway in today's video. I'm gonna give away an Amazon gift card, so check the rules below. I'll have everything below, my Amazon shop, my Instagram, my TikTok, everything. So subscribe so you don't miss out, follow me on there, comment what you're buying, like what's on your wish list on Prime Day, and let's get into it. Okay, needless to say, I honestly don't need most of these things, but these are just things that if they go on sale and they're pretty good deals, then I might purchase them in no particular order because some of these are less important than others. Something I really want that I actually saw that it's currently on sale are these 3 weathered concrete planters. I really want a DIY one for my olive tree, and then I could really use some for the front of the house. You get 3 for $100 and something, so I thought that was a great deal. I've seen them in person, they look incredible. The other thing that is not a need but mostly I want is the nugget couch dupes. There's so many options of Amazon. I'm really hoping they go on sale. I have 2 right now. This one is $175 right now, and it comes with a ton of pieces that look convenient, and then the other one is the same idea but it has more pieces. So I'm hoping one of those goes on sale. It would be a great addition to Olivia's playroom, and I've heard amazing things about the nuggets, so instead of investing in the real thing, you guys know I'd rather save a little money and see if the dupes are worth it. I have a ton of security cameras and security systems in my list. Mostly I want outdoor flood cameras, and then I want to start adding a few indoor cameras just to check on the dogs when we're, you know, away, and then also just like to be able to see Olivia, like let's say I'm in the bathroom and she's in her playroom, so I can see her on my phone. They already have amazing deals on these. The Ring outdoor cameras are already on sale. The Blink security cameras that I've heard amazing things about are also on sale, so I'm about to purchase I think the Blink just right now because they're not gonna go lower than what they are, and then I'm gonna wait a little for the Ring to see if any other catch my eye. Surprisingly, I have a lot of clothes that I want to get. The Aritzia dupe dress, my best friend has it. It feels amazing quality. I'm hoping that it goes a little bit discounted on Prime Day so I can get like a few colors because it looks like the perfect summery dress. I also have a few Free People dupes. I have an entire tab on my Amazon shop if you want more recs, but I have the Free People dress that would be perfect for pictures, for a baby shower, for a gender reveal, for anything. So angelic and like boho and pretty, but the real version is 128, so this one is 40, so I'm gonna buy it either way, but I'm gonna wait to see if it goes on sale and then treat myself for my birthday. And then lastly, for Free People stuff, I have 2 of the romper combos. So one is a 2-piece set. It comes with like the sports bra and then like a little romper dress, and the other one is the onesie dupe. That one just looks so pretty. I got it in pink, or I want to get it in pink, but hopefully it'll be on sale too. Okay, this one is one of the crazier things on my list. It's this Bouncy Castle. Okay, so just hear me out. Number 1, I'm gonna throw a party at least once a year for Olivia and hopefully for more kids in the future. Number 2, to rent a bouncy house in Houston for a few hours is roughly $300–400, and I could rent it out to people and friends in my neighborhood. So that's how I'm justifying it. I don't know if I should get the purple and pink because obviously there's only so much you can do theme-wise with that color combo, or if I should splurge a little more and get the white one. So let me know what you guys think, but I'm like 70% sure I'm gonna get it if it's on sale, because right now it's not and it's pricey. I want to get a few like home improvement items, one of those being the towel holder rack that you see right here for the bathroom. I thought it looks nice and it's convenient. Also, this stairs basket looks cool. I don't know, it's on my save for later right now. It's not too expensive or anything, but as someone who all throughout my childhood, my mom would leave things in the stairs for me to like take up, and I just have a feeling Olivia will be the same way. And then I just, like, myself as an adult, I'm always like going up and down, like I need to bring this up or I need to bring this down. So I thought that was pretty convenient. It's kind of cool. Another like home improvement furniture piece are these shoe cabinets. I want to do kind of like a makeover to both our entryway and like a little section of our living room. And I think these are inexpensive and so convenient, and they look so nice. They're like $200 right now. If they go on sale, I'm definitely gonna purchase a couple, but if they don't, I can just wait. I'm gonna get a ton of hair products because they're gonna be 30% off, especially luxury hair brands and Sephora brands. Olaplex, I want to get the repair cream or whatever. My usual hair glosses from Madison Reed. I want to get a ton of Sol de Janeiro, the Crest 3D whitening strips. Those are the best value you'll ever get them. They didn't even go on sale last Black Friday, which is so upsetting. So I'm out already and my teeth are looking so yellow, so I cannot wait to have those again. I highly recommend. They're usually $45 and you can get them for 20 something, which is a steal. They usually last me 6 months, but since they didn't restock them last November, I ran out. So this has been on my list since Mother's Day, let's be honest, maybe a little bit before. The Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Oh my god, TikTok has me obsessed with this thing, so I really want to get it. These are just so random and I definitely don't need them, but I really want them. I have this floaty. I have the version for Olivia. It's like a little golf cart. The adult version is like $140, which is wild. The other thing is also for my parents' pool. Actually, a few more things. I want to get this tent, gazebo, canopy, I don't know what it's called, but that's for Olivia's birthday, and then I'm going to transfer it over to my parents' house. This beach patio umbrella, I think it's stunning. It's very expensive, but they need it. And the other thing is the like pool floaty basket thing. Again, so expensive, but it's like to store floaties and towels and balls and just pool stuff. So they desperately need something like that, so that's gonna be a gift from me to them, but also for me. I have this eye massager. I bought one last year during Prime Day. It was taken away from me by my mother actually, so I'm gonna repurchase it for myself because I've been getting some gnarly migraines. I want to get this wallpaper. TBD if I get like two. One because I like it. It's like a Toast Inside joke. I think it's so pretty. I've been really into this like style of decor, but I'm not a blue girly, obviously. So I think if I do it like in an understated way, it would look really cool and it would satisfy my pink self. I want to get two wallpapers just like for filming and for our bathroom. And this is one of the options. We'll see if they go on sale. No one warns you how expensive wallpapers are. No one, ever. Like, I think I found out last year when I started buying wallpapers. Also really need to get some frames because I have prints and art pieces that I've been getting off of Temu that need frames that unfortunately I couldn't find at the dollar store because they're pretty big. I also want to get a mini fridge, which is such an unhinged idea for our room, which is like in the garage. We'll see if I do that. It would be convenient. I also want to get a jewelry cleaner for like an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for my wedding ring. And yeah, oh, and a battery organizer. I've been wanting one of these for a while. It's in my wish list and I think I'm finally going to get it. I also think I'm gonna get my husband this insert or like addition to a bike. You can add it to your bike, like behind it, and then you can put like dogs or a toddler in there. So I thought it would be convenient to have, not just for my husband, like to go on bike rides with Olivia, but for my dad. Do I trust my dad, the man who does 100 miles in one day in his bike, to take my wild child behind his bike? I wouldn't say no, but like I would say I'm a little skeptical. So hopefully it works and I feel confident enough to let my dad do that, but if not, my husband can. We're also going to start the lovely potty training journey. Please pray for me or send me any tips or products that help you. But I have a few things. I have the potty training ladder. I also have this little chart that I've heard people like found success with. I'm thinking of maybe buying like pull-ups or anything like that if they are discounted enough. Yeah, I don't know what else to buy regarding potty training. So once again, like I said, if any of you have any recommendations, please let me know. I also have stickers and things like that on here. So the little watch, the timer watch, I don't know, I need it to work. Guys, that's everything for today's video. I think that's everything like that I'm planning on purchasing on Prime Day, but like I said, it is on my birthday. So not only do I usually spend a ton of money on Prime Day just because, you know, the deals are too good to pass up. That's what I tell myself at least. But add my birthday on top of that, self-control will be out the window. So pray for my bank account. But this is just the first video of many, the first giveaway of many. So like I said, subscribe, check out my Amazon shop. I will be updating that, well, like the whole thing, but mostly the Prime Day deals frequently, often. Don't you worry, I got you. And I'll have plenty of giveaways to come, so stay tuned. Come back to my channel, come back to my Amazon shop, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok for more like short form recs, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.